Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the Barcode app or camera that supports scanning and granting camera access. This lets the software read codes. Once done, position the barcode centered in the viewfinder and hold the phone steady about 6 to 12 inches away so the lens can focus. Make sure autofocus is enabled or tap the screen where the code appears. If lighting is low, enable the phone flashlight or aim for better ambient light so the scanner can detect contrast. Now focus on precise alignment and let the app interpret the pattern. You should center the code horizontally and keep the full code edges inside the frame because many decoders need complete bars to parse data. Avoid glare from glossy labels by tilting the phone a few degrees. Small angle changes often remove reflections without losing focus. If multiple codes appear, move closer or crop the frame so the app isolates one code, and hold steady until you see a confirmation beep or on-screen result. After the scan, check the decoded value on screen and tap to follow links or copy the digits for confirmation. This prevents accidental navigation to wrong content. If autoscan fails, use the app's manual entry mode or a dedicated numeric keypad to type the code, and then try again. If problems persist, make sure the camera lens is clean, confirm the app has required permissions, restart the app, and test in better lighting. These quick fixes resolve most common scanning issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.